Today we explore the nearby beautiful town of Deadwood, and I spill my beer on a bunch of strangers. And then they become friends.
Hey, are you guys okay?
We did not.
I was making sure you didn't get hit by beer.
Demolition is bringing the building apart and driving me crazy at the same time.
So I just figured that's driving me crazy.
And lastly, we clean up the landscaping with chainsaws and propane torches.
Hey, I'm Greg, and this is my wife, Megan. And for those of you who haven't watched any of the previous episodes, Cliff Notes version, my wife and I bought a hotel in the Black Hills of South Dakota, and we're currently in the middle of renovating it in order to make it something really nice. If you're new here, welcome! Dropping you right in, we completed a code review, and we found out that the building needs a heck of a lot more work than we really anticipated. Do we now have the construction permit? We do not. So, it's been kind of an iterative process where I talk to the city, they tell me what was wrong with my permit submission, and we go back and forth. The iterative process, I would highly not recommend. This is why we were looking for an architect. Since I couldn't find one, we are relying on my drafting experience. But thankfully, the city inspectors were pretty helpful, and they were very generous with their time. Thank you, Spearfish inspectors. And they helped me through drawing what I needed to draw in order to make sure that we didn't miss anything. So I would submit, they would review, they'd tell me I need to see this, this, and this. I would submit again, they would review, they would say this, this, and this are okay, this is not okay, submit again. Once I finally understood what they wanted, everything got a little bit smoother. From the code review, we have discovered that we have a lot more overages on our budget than we really anticipated. Now, we did our due diligence, but there are some things that you can plan for, and then there are some things that you can't plan for, and then there are some things that you don't know to plan for, and things you don't know to plan for ended up becoming the biggest drop in the bucket. It means A, I feel like the project's spinning out of control, but B, I also took a day job. I don't think we're gonna be on time because we've already had now 3 months. I think now as the recording, it's 3 months delay, maybe a little bit longer. So, because I had a day job, I didn't have a lot of time to get drafting done, which meant that I would finish out my day, eat dinner, and then sit down at my personal computer and draft late into night. It was many, 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 many weeks of that until my brain just finally stopped working. Megs was talking to me about something. I don't know if it was the building or whatever, but she turned around and looked, and I just had the 1,000-yard stare. And I wasn't thinking about anything. She said, "You need a vacation! You need a vacation!" Just like that. How you doing?
Is the picture or
Camera. I only shoot video these days.
Ready for some?
Don't trip. She decided I needed a break, so we went to Deadwood's event, Hops and Hogs. What is Hops and Hogs? Hops and Hogs, I explain it here, but you can't hear me over the crowd noise, so I'll explain it again. Hops and Hogs is basically where brewers from everywhere around the Black Hills area come and they do tasting booths for beer, and then they have to pair it with some sort of pork flavored delicacy. And they set up stations all throughout Deadwood, and you have to run up Main Street with a little card in your hand, getting tastings and then getting signatures that you tasted the beer at each station. And once you find all the stations, you turn in your card and you're entered to win a raffle prize. So we got there late on Friday night, which was the first night of Hops and Hogs, and I was exhausted, so we went to bed early. The next morning, we happily went up and down Main Street and got all sorts of signatures for tasting booths. And I'm one of these people who, when you give me a video game, I do the route where you try everything out until almost all the game content has been experienced. And so I naturally wanted to get to every single beer station and taste every single beer and get my signature on it so I could turn it in for a raffle.
Concerns, so we definitely don't want anybody getting injured.
All right, we just got done watching the shootout. I didn't record it because we weren't actually watching
We
it.
didn't watch the shootout. We went and got beer.
We were getting real beer. I can't do it. I always do this where it's mouth talking really low, so you just see my mouth. It's kind of like I need to put eyes on my chin.
Some people do. There you go.
Here we go.
We had a bacon wrapped Oreo. That was delicious.
Cheesecake, he told you how to make it?
He did. He
All right,
said
that's
not a lot of fat, and he said it was smoked, and that you bake it to finish. All hot rods?
Yeah. Looks like they're doing a cruise.
Yeah.
But
for me.
You get this cool entrance where it looks like you're about to walk into 1875. Whoa!
Yeah.
Can't even tell if you can. Oh, yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can go with me.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then go up the stairs. The stairs this way.
Go up the stairs.
See? Cheated helmet.
We're standing at the top of the Deadwood Social Club. The Deadwood Social Club is really cool because it's a rooftop bar and you can stand out there and watch people go by on Main Street, and you've got a beautiful view of the mountains just like right up there. And we're sitting there enjoying the view, taking it in. Suddenly a gust of wind knocks over my beer and snaps my play card right out of my hand.
Hey, are you guys okay?
We did not.
I was making sure you didn't get hit by beer.
Did I lose my beer?
You lost both your guys'.
Oh no!
He was trying to take a sweet picture.
Did your tickets fall over?
My tickets are gone.
Okay. He was being so good about getting each one.
Last I saw my tickets, they went over there. We just lost my tickets.
I have mine. You
It's
can
totally
use mine.
gone. Well, now I don't have my record though. It's all gone. Everything's terrible.
I'm pretty sure he could cross it out himself. My scarf.
Update. We found out that my beer all fell on the ground, but it managed to not land on me at all, so that's good things. That's good things. I make sense. I make good sense.
Poor baby.
I put so much effort into that.
Wait. So we have an update on the saga of the tasting slips. I found them on the street. This one's replete with a legit tire mark on the top
I
of
think
it.
this makes it better. Walk
Makes
like-
it better. But you also make friends on this route.
We made so many friends.
We make so many friends.
We've never been in here before.
So tire marks.
That's awesome.
I gotta submit it now to Deadwood's board for
They're
legitimacy.
gonna love that it has tire marks.
Did I turn out to pick it up and turn it in and get my raffle? No, because I missed Friday, and I needed to have Friday and Saturday to be eligible for the raffle. After a weekend of playing in Deadwood, it was back to work. Not my 9 to 5. Checking on project progress over the building. And we definitely have some progress. We have my cute wife over here dancing and weeding because she loves to pull weeds. It's cathartic.
Yeah, I love it. It's fantastic.
She loves weeds.
I hate chaos.
You hate chaos.
I hate chaos
So-
more than I hate weeds.
You hate chaos, so
More
that's
than I hate pulling weeds.
that's why you buy old buildings. You hate chaos.
Well, I like to correct the chaos. As soon as the chaos is corrected, it's like, and then it's like, I did that.
Always try to beautify where you live.
So I just figured that's driving me crazy. There's a fire alarm here. Let me see if I can get, there we go. There's a fire alarm in here that's battery is dying. I can't figure out which one it is. Got disconnected from building wire, or from building power, and now it's beeping uncontrollably and it's driving me crazy. Oh yeah. So we ripped out 5 of the 6 units. All that we have left over is the flooring and some electrical stuff coming out of the ceiling, which we'll take care of in the next phase of demolition. And we're uncovering the original walls. And you heard me rambling on about dimensional lumber for a while. Well, we still have good lumber here. So currently still doing demolition, but we're making progress. It feels good. I like demo. And now the last portion of the last unit, aside from our ADA unit, all gonna go. So, there you be, demolition. So,
That's great.
got water supplies and drains coming out.
Dog for your place.
We've got an out of control fire alarm. I think it's this one right here.
Sure.
See if we can take it off. Watch me take out the fire alarm that just didn't want me to.
He didn't want you to.
I don't think he cares
Okay.
because he's ripping them off the walls.
You can always leave it. If he wants to put it back, he can put it back. There you go. Is this a tub?
That's a tub.
That is a small ass tub, man. It's like 36 inches wide.
Yes, it's for tiny people because people were small.
Tiny tub.
People were smaller 50 years ago, apparently. So luxurious. Look, we're gonna have luxurious, grand, huge tracts of bathtub.
Or, you know, normal size.
Normal size. So this is step, what is this, month and a half into demo.
Oh yeah, we were delayed a little while, so we're starting to get our traction again. It'll look great. So this is open all the way into the last one. So there's gonna be 7 units right here. 7 studios. They're gonna be comfortable and warm and wonderful. Very comfortable. Beds, comfortable pillows.
I forgot my boots. Finally, we came out to the building to do some cleanup. Very unhappy about that. It seems like some of the juniper, I don't know what these bushes are. They look like they're either juniper or lilac. I think they're lilacs. Meg said they were lilacs, so they're lilacs. We've got some lilacs on the property line, and thanks to spring and summer being really wet in the area, they exploded. So they started encroaching on the sidewalk. The city gave us a call, said, hey, can you come clean these up so that the people can walk on the sidewalk? We said, sure. And now we're out here cutting down lilacs. And then we also decided that we were going to try to clean up the parking lot, and that didn't work out too well because the weeds there are succulents and you cannot burn them. This is the most fun you can have with a propane tank.
Weed burner, babe.
South Dakota is too lush.
I don't know if we're gonna be burning a lot of weeds here.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be burning weeds. It's too lush. It's too wet.
It seems like your favorite word right now. Lush.
It's too wet, so good idea.
The weeds will stay for now.
The weeds will stay for now. All right, well, we're gonna get headed home because we got a bit of a drive, and we've done our work today of cleaning up shrubbery.
Yeah.
So anyway, bye-bye. Good progress on getting rid of the rot that makes a major difference.